love my nose. It's so hard.
How come it won't zoom when it's doing video?
It won't. I'm getting it. What if I get full?
Your hair is getting all in that food.
Ow.
Eat the spaghetti, not the platelets.
My face is starting to die.
Quick, blow your nose in it, Alyssa. Now eat it.
I can't breathe through my nose. That's disgusting.
That was disgusting.
We should have made less spaghetti.
Yeah. Come on, eat that shit.
You haven't even eaten any of this. I have. You're so hard. Okay. I don't tell us her nose blows.
She just blows her nose in the spaghetti and eats it back.
Oh, okay. You're like gonna win this. This is not fair.
Oh, that's disgusting. Wait, smile at the camera, Alyssa. That's a fucking MySpace pic right there.
Do it. I don't win yet. Yeah, you did, basically. I forfeit.
And how do you stop